How to fix brightness auto increase on Instagram on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility. Here you're going to find different sections. Under vision, you will find the option of display and text size. Open this option. Now scroll all the way down. At the very end, you will find the option of auto brightness. Disable for this option. Likewise, head back, go to the main page of settings. Then navigate to the option of display and brightness. Now toggle off for this option of True Tone. From here, you can easily increase or decrease the brightness for your device. Likewise, open this option of Night Shift, then disable for all these options. Once you customize these settings, you will be good to go. Now you can head back, then click on the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back, then head towards this option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can easily fix auto brightness increase in Instagram on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.